So I have sold my Ankh. So I'm going to do a new one. This is really heavy duty, 1.5 millimeter. Really sturdy, and you see in my hand it's big. So I'm doing a new one because I'm selling this one. So this is how I do it. Spirals. Whoops. I should look what I'm doing. Spirals was Tesla was all about to make energy. So this is heavy duty. You can put crystals inside if you want to. I've also been thinking about putting organite mass into it, but for now I'm just doing a new one. So now I take my hand here. I have changed this one. So I do it this way and get it off this one. Oh, maybe I have, you can't see. I can take this one away. Like that. Like that. So now I have my piece for my Ankh. It's like this. And then I do that cross part. So that's how you do now. So this is the first one I did. This one got a lot bigger. Oh, it's not done, of course, but you can see that this one is bigger. It will be for sale when I'm done with it. Now I will do like spiral things there, like you can see on this one. So I will show you how I did this, if I can. So I take this end like that. Screw it. Like that. Maybe do it a little better, like that. Do the same there. So you can point this head. You can see the Egyptians put it to their nose. I don't know exactly why, but this is a power tool, a really good power tool. I will fine tune it and then it's done. Maybe I will do something. Maybe I should do some ornament or something, or a crystal or something. We will see. Have a nice day. Here it is. Anyway, you can see it's 15 centimeters, and it is 13 and a half centimeters across. It's really big, sturdy. It's really sturdy. Hold it like this.